Hi, my name is Nick with Nestrs, and I'm a local designer here in Columbus, Ohio, and we're really good at floor plans. We have great people on our team, like Paul here, who, what do we do, Paul?
While I work with Nick, he provides a design to me, and part of my job is basically to take that intention in his work and make a visual for the client to look at so that they can tell exactly what they're going to get. A lot of times you get a certain product that you're just not sure what it's going to look like in the space. And you might have 2 or 3 different options that you're looking at as well. Do we want to go a little bit darker? Do we want to go a little bit lighter? I'm able to take that exact product specification, put it into the space so that you see exactly what you're going to get at the end of the day. That way there's no guesswork, you know what you're going to get, and you can sign off on it with confidence knowing that the project is going to be exactly how you want it to be.
Yeah, I think whether you're an investor or whether you're a homeowner, you're looking to create the maximum value for your money. So what we do is we look at the entire floor plan and we say, what's going to add the most value at the end of the day? Is it a half bath on the first floor? Is it a laundry room? Is it a pantry in the kitchen? Is it all the above? Are we bringing in enough natural light? Are we showcasing these architectural features that people are going to get emotional about and want to purchase this property because it pulls on their heartstrings? And then Paul's able to, we have a dialogue about the overall space planning itself, what walls are going to come down, what's going to be removed, what can be shifted, what we should and shouldn't do based on expenses, if it's a load-bearing wall or not, and then Paul is able to bring it to life.